Hello friends. So I bricked my Sabrent NVMe SSD when it firmware didn't update. I don't know why. It just bricked. So I wound up getting a Western Digital. It's 2400 reads, 2400 read, 2000 write, and according to a whole bunch of websites that did a whole bunch of tests, it's right in the middle of good, good performance for the home use. And I got a 500 gigabyte for $65 at Amazon. Hello friends, as you saw in the last video, the firmware did not update on the Sabrent, so I wound up getting a Western Digital Blue Sn550, where as you see here, it's got really good specs for a home user, 2400 read, 2000 write. And it's bench tested right in the middle of the benchmarks with I checked some websites. The most interesting thing is how they kept the NAND flash separated from the controller for heat issues. I thought that was pretty clever. This isn't really wasted space. It's a good way to dissipate heat and protect the NAND from the controller. And the last thing is that it's got host memory buffering, which means it uses a little bit of computer RAM for its own purposes. I wanted to let you know that. You guys take care. Oh, one last thing. This is a Nuke 7 i3, and I use it. The use is for the most basic, the most basic stuff, streaming, streaming, regular internet stuff. All right, you guys take care. Bye. See, not bad, right? Not bad at all. All right, you guys take care.